Don't eat the yellow fish, Patrick.
Oh, yeah.
Patrick, no!
Hey, SpongeBob!
I can't see! I can't see! My new hobby is much safer. Collecting poison sea urchins.
A few moments later.
My new hobby is much safer. Dying right now in some sort of fiery explosion.
One eternity later. Lol.
My new hobby.
We gotta try something else.
I don't need Gary.
Meow.
Let's sing a song about nothing. Everything I could ever want is right here. And everything I could never, ever, ever want is right here.
Wait a minute.
Did it! I made it to Shell City, and I beat the Cyclops! Nothing can stop me now!